If you're looking for an easy, affordable, and beginner-friendly way to host your own Minecraft server, this video is for you. In this review, I'm breaking down the Hostinger Minecraft server hosting, covering performance, features, pricing, ease of use, pros and cons, and who it's actually best for. Whether you want to play with friends, run mods, or host a private survival or creative world, I'll help you decide if Hostinger is the right choice, or if you should look elsewhere. And if you want the best Hostinger Minecraft server deal available, I've added a link in the description below. I've also included the coupon code next to the link so you can get the maximum savings. Quick disclosure, that link is an affiliate link, which means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you, and you'll still get the lowest Hostinger pricing available. Hostinger offers dedicated Minecraft server hosting built on its VPS infrastructure. That means you get your own server resources, better performance than shared hosting, full control over your Minecraft setup. Hostinger supports vanilla Minecraft, modded servers, Forge, Fabric, popular mod packs, custom server configurations, and everything is managed through Hostinger's custom control panel called hPanel. Performance is where Hostinger really shines for the price. Here's what you get. NVMe SSD storage, much faster than standard SSDs, AMD EPYC CPUs, dedicated RAM, low latency global data centers for small to medium Minecraft servers. This means smooth gameplay, minimal lag, stable chunk loading. Reliable uptime. For casual servers and modded gameplay with friends, performance is more than solid. Hostinger offers multiple data center locations including North America, South America, Europe, South Africa, Asia, Australia. You can choose the location closest to your players, which helps reduce ping and improve responsiveness. Hostinger includes everything you actually need to run a Minecraft server: one-click Minecraft installation, full FTP access, custom JAR support, mod and plugin compatibility, full root access on VPS plans, DDoS protection, automated backups, 24/7 monitoring. You're not locked into one setup, you can fully customize your server. Hostinger's hPanel is one of the easiest control panels to use. From the dashboard, you can start or stop your server, reinstall Minecraft versions, upload mods and plugins, manage backups, monitor resource usage. This makes Hostinger a great option if you're new to hosting but still want flexibility. Yes, Hostinger fully supports Forge, Fabric, Bucket, Spidget, Paper, custom mod packs. As long as your plan has enough RAM, you can use modded servers smoothly. Hostinger's Minecraft servers are very affordable compared to competitors. Hostinger offers 4 Minecraft game panel plans, and choosing the right one really comes down to how many players you have and whether you're using mods. Game Panel 1 is best for small private servers. If you're running vanilla Minecraft with just a few friends, usually 2 to 4 players, this plan is more than enough, and it's the cheapest option. Game Panel 2 is the best choice for most people. It's ideal for survival or creative servers, supports light mods or plugins, and handles around 5 to 10 players comfortably. If you're not sure which plan to choose, this is the one I recommend starting with. Game Panel 4 is where modded servers really start to shine. This plan is better for Forge, Fabric, or mod packs, and it offers smoother performance when you have more players online at the same time. Game Panel 8 is designed for larger servers or communities. You only need this plan if you're hosting a lot of players or running a more demanding setup. The nice thing is that you can always upgrade later without losing your server, so it's perfectly fine to start smaller and scale up as needed. And if you want the lowest Hostinger Minecraft server price, make sure you use the link in the description. I provide the coupon code next to the link in the description. Pricing typically starts around low monthly cost with long-term plans, significant discounts when using promo links, 30-day money-back guarantee. You're getting VPS level performance at a budget-friendly price, which is hard to beat. Pros: excellent price to performance ratio, NVMe storage and AMD CPUs, beginner-friendly setup, full customization, good global coverage, reliable uptime. Cons: not ideal for massive public servers. Advanced setups require some technical knowledge. No built-in game panel like some premium Minecraft only hosts. Hostinger Minecraft hosting is best for beginners hosting their first server, friends playing together, small to medium modded servers, budget-conscious players, private or semi-private servers. Overall, Hostinger is one of the best budget Minecraft hosting options available. It delivers strong performance, easy setup, full customization, excellent pricing. If you want a reliable Minecraft server without overspending, Hostinger is absolutely worth considering. If you want to get Hostinger's biggest Minecraft server discount, click the link in the description below. I provide the coupon code next to the link in the description. That link applies the best deal available and comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.